friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning my entire house and I'm going to be using a ton of new products from Grove Collaborative. I love using them and their subscription, so I can't wait to share with you what I got. I was going to do a haul, but I decided to just go ahead and just share things as I used them so you can see how I use them and why I chose to buy them. But I'm excited to be filming this today. It's going to feel so good to get the house clean from top to bottom this weekend so that I can just enjoy the next couple of weeks doing all the fall things with my family. So if you need motivation today, make sure you keep watching, cleaning along with me, and let's go ahead and get started. Today's video is a collab with Kristen from Life with Kristen and Ashley from My Life is Ashley. These girls are some of the first friends I met on YouTube and they have both been so kind and so supportive. Both of their channels are fairly new, but their content is amazing. Kristen just moved into a new home and I have loved watching her cleaning and decorating videos. And Ashley is a girl mama and she is just so sweet. She's so down to earth and real. I love watching her cleaning videos too. They're both just super motivating women. So after today's video, make sure you go check out their channels and let them know that I sent you. I'll have all of their links in my description below. So today I'm starting off in my kitchen because it was the messiest room of the house. I needed to unload the dishwasher, load it back up, and wash a few dishes from the night before. If you're new around here or you're coming from Kristen or Ashley's channel and you like what you see today, make sure you hit that little red subscribe button down below. I would absolutely love it if you would consider joining my YouTube family. And I also just wanted to say thank you so much for stopping by. It really does mean a lot to me. I woke up this morning and I was just in the mood to deep clean the main living space and get everything in order. My husband was super sweet and this morning he woke up early and took the kiddos out on a little daddy date for the day so that I could do this without any distractions or any little ones running around, and that just made it a whole lot easier. It feels really good to tackle all of this deep cleaning the first weekend of the month and that way for the rest of the month, especially since it's October and we're going to be doing all of the fun fall things. I don't have to worry about it or stress about it. I know that I'm already getting it done and that way I can just enjoy my family time. Today I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the apple cider scent and the walnut scrubber sponges to hand wash a couple of dishes. This is a cute little grill plate that I made for Father's Day with the kiddos this year. It is so precious. Every time I wash it, it makes my heart so happy. Today was the first time that it actually felt and looked like fall outside. It was really gloomy and storms were rolling in. They're supposed to cool off our weather here, which I'm super excited about. But it was just really cozy to be inside and cleaning on this day. And I'm going to use that same dish soap to just wash out my sink really well. This is my favorite kitchen chore. It is just always super satisfying to me to wash it out, especially after doing dishes, after the sink gets really grimy and gross. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. This was my first time purchasing these garbage disposal pods and they were in the lemongrass scent. So they smell really fresh. You just put it in the disposal, ran warm water, and then turn the disposal on. And it was supposed to get rid of any buildup or any odors. And I feel like it really did the job. I also got a new diffuser and a new essential oil blend from Grove. I got the Purify scent, which was peppermint, eucalyptus, and rosemary. And oh my goodness, it smelled so good diffusing in my kitchen while I was cleaning. The next item I picked up was this Real Simple Granite Countertop Spray, and I was so excited to try this because I feel like a lot of the granite sprays out there are just really harsh and chemically. I know that's not a word, but you know what I mean. And I love this one. It had a really nice citrus scent. It did a really great job at getting them clean and shiny. It didn't leave any streaks. I'll definitely be buying it again. Talk
to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos.
Now I'm using the Method Steel for Real to clean off all of my stainless steel appliances. I love using this. It does a great job at getting all of the smudges off and just getting it feeling really clean. It also has a really nice scent.
Never can be found 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
And this is a 7th generation wood cleaner. It's also in a citrus scent, and this is my favorite wood cleaner. It just makes all of your furniture smell so good and clean, and it's really easy to use. I love using it to wipe down my kitchen table and my dining table.
Bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this all right. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning up.
And the last thing I had to do in here was just go through and sweep, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mop the floors.
Demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
I bought this new spin mop from Target a couple of days ago. I wanted to give it a try because I always see other people using it and it always looks like it works really well. And I am so glad that I did, you guys. I loved this thing. It was so fun to use. It was super easy and I felt like my floors got super clean. I just used really hot water, pine salt, and a little bit of vinegar.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos. Caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just.
I'm using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner to wipe down my windows and wipe down this glass door going out to my back deck because it always has so many fingerprints and smudges. It always feels so good to have that clean.
Lifeline.
I'm starting off in the family room just by decluttering some of the toys that had accumulated in here. I like to keep a few small things up here in that bin next to the couch just so the kids have something to play with, but it had gotten way out of hand, so I moved the rest of the toys back down to the basement. That is where our playroom is. Now I'm just straightening up, doing my usual things like fluffing up the pillows and just kind of tidying up.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background.
Today I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the Acorn Spice scent. I am so glad I bought this scent. I really loved it. I loved the spiciness of it. It was perfect for fall. So I'm just using that to wipe everything down in the family room and get it nice and clean.
I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me. In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls
This column and the ledge to the sunken living room were super neglected. They really needed a good wipe down. You can't tell on camera, but trust me, there were plenty of little handprints all over them. And before I clean the carpets, I'm just giving it a really good vacuuming. Getting ready to steam clean the carpets, and I'm just pouring in some fabric softener. I'm using the Method softener in the ginger mango scent, and this keeps the carpets from getting crunchy, but it also smells amazing, you guys. It's like fresh laundry, but in your carpet. I didn't really know how else to explain it. It smells so good. I love, love, love using it. This carpet cleaner has an express setting and a deep clean setting, and I normally do the express setting, but today I went ahead and used the deep clean setting, and that just really got the carpets so clean. I was amazed, and it takes about 3 to 4 hours to dry. So again, I was really glad that my kiddos were out and about so that I had time before they got home.
We can be like with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for.
And the last thing I'm doing in here, of course, is lighting a candle, and now it is super clean and fresh in here, and those vacuum lines seriously give me life. But now moving on to the dining room, and this room was basically a hot mess because I had opened my Grove box in here and products were just everywhere, so I'm putting them back where they actually belong, in my linen closet, and then I'm just straightening up and wiping the table down again with that wood cleaner, and that did a really good job. We had dinner in here for basically the entire week, almost every single night, so it really just needed a good cleaning.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche.
I noticed that the chairs were also getting kind of grimy, especially the ones my kids were sitting in, so I also went ahead and wiped those down as well.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free.
In our previous home, we had dark hardwood floors, and I honestly did not enjoy it. They were beautiful, but I had to mop every single day. The smudges were like out of this world. And even though this color hardwood isn't my favorite, I like it. It's just not my favorite. I will say I love having them for the sake of they never look dirty. I can go weeks or months without mopping and you would never know. But as I was looking closely, I realized it desperately needed to be mopped today. So I'm so glad that I got that done.
Yeah, be free, be free.
Moving on to the front room, again, I just had a lot of trash from that Grove box. Just needed to clean that up really quick and just kind of declutter and pick up.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk.
Our plantation shutters get really dusty really quickly if we don't stay on top of them. So I'm just dusting them off really quick, and then I'm gonna open the windows and let all of that natural light in.
And over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
Graham was very concerned with this mop. He would not take his eyes off of it. He was so focused on it, it was cracking me up. But you guys, he is such a good baby. He will just sit and play forever and kind of just let me get stuff done, and he is just happy to watch. This part of the home just gets super neglected. I'm not really sure why. It's like the front entrance where people come in. You'd think I would clean it all the time, but I think because we never use it as a front entrance, I just kind of don't really think about it. But today I dusted that entryway table. I'm sweeping. I'm gonna go ahead and dust the stairs, vacuum the stairs, and mop around here as well.
Now set your sails on high. You're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder. Just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are. Just the.
And this is the last room of the main level that I am cleaning today. I am dusting off these shutters as well, opening up those windows. Then I'm just gonna make the bed up, get it all fresh and clean in here, and then I'm also gonna mop in here as well. Not gonna lie, I can't even remember the last time I mopped in here, so needless to say, it desperately needed it. Whether you were sitting down watching this while you got ready, watching this while you were feeding a kiddo, or you were actually cleaning along with me, I wanted to say thank you so much for watching. It really does mean the world to me that you're supporting this channel. And I also wanted to just say I hope that today's video motivated you and inspired you to tackle your home and get it fresh and clean this fall. I know that it can seem daunting to tackle your entire main living space, but trust me, it's worth it. Your home will just feel so peaceful and tranquil, and there's really nothing like it. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, say hey in the comments. I love talking to you guys, and I'll see you all really soon in the next one. Bye guys.